Alright y'all, and look at that view. Bow! We got the Ferris wheel right there. I mean, we got the Mercedes right there for the Atlanta Falcons. And we got the college football Hall of Fame right there, Centennial Park right there. Wham! I mean, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, bro. This is a view, baby. This is a view of all views. We got the big city view. Just look, man. But I just wanted to show y'all this. We're about to get ready to go out. So let me get dressed. Got a beach over there. They got a big barge over there. And we'll see all the other stuff they got when I touchdown. But we here. I want y'all to see the view. Just a little grocery store. And then that's the little church. They was not capping. Bad boy. Shh. Look at that. Man, what? You go all the way down there? Lift up your finger, you can still see the fingers that they're holding on. This is that cliff. Even by the boats. The water was blue, as y'all can see whenever we was on the boat to it. In the middle, it was like sky blue. Got a little seaweed right there, but like none of it is coming up. Then we got another boat coming in. Let's go. It's recording. Howdy, partner. Looking for.
It's recording.
No. This one? Oh, this one. This is a meeting. What you doing around these parts, huh? You want to go to the tequila farm? I'll take you there. Follow me.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some.
Follow me. Show them the food places. See right here is the food places. So, ice cream, you can rum, you can get hats, you want to get hot, drink, even some little souvenirs. You got that. And you get bread.
Thanks.
Bread?
Nah, I'm okay.
Okay, let's go.
Thanks.
And then now we'll lead you back to the hotel. Oh yeah, we're going up these stairs now. Gotta get that workout in.
How many days
This kind of house is Akna.
Always in the bush. We don't have street.
Yeah.
The house is in the bush. When the Maya was lost in the bush, the Maya was invented pyramid, observatory, astronomic, climb on top, to the building, called this kind. Who are you? The man and woman was lost and with this kind. We are over here. The light today, we check your phone report. Hello, who are you? Same thing.
Yes, but this you did. But because the houses were down, you had to build those Mayans to get up.
Yes.
To be able to.
And then today, we call my language WhatsApp Maya. Many years ago, they know our Spanish name. Today, if you want, I could give you name Maya language.
Okay. What's my name?
When you come back home, and I remember the tour guide, that short man.
Yeah.
Like today, your name is U. U means name the moon. U. With when I used to name this man like a chakmol.
Chakmol.
What chakmol? Like a jaguar.
A jaguar. Chakmol.
Like John Boy, we're not using the
Tool.
rabbit.
You a rabbit, but he more like a snail. He's not a rabbit. He's slow.
Because she's
Oh.
rabbit go
To
fast.
ool. You have to say it.
Tool.
Ool.
Tool.
Come here to see. My name Chet. With the Spanish coming first time, my generation talk with the Spanish. With the Spanish coming, okay, we go continue using name Che. Buddy, Timothy Che.
Timothy check. Yes.
Timothy Spanish and then Che Maya. Timothy Spanish and Che Maya.
So you got two names.
You
Maya
remember
and
your
Spanish.
name?
Ooh. Tool. Jet. What is mine? Jet. No, mine. Oh yeah. Jack Muller.
Tool.
No.
Yeah,
Tool.
Tool.
No.
Tool.
No, you're not saying it right, bro. This man don't even know how to say his name. Tool. Jack Muller. You don't even know how to say hey. How you say hey?
Huh?
How you say hey?
Bakna. Bak.
No.
Bakna.
Everybody you count the 1, 2 in my language. Hookah.
Is there no smoking thing, huh?
Who? Number 1. Ka number 2. Hookah.
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 Japanese like an each knee. Hookah.
Hookah.
Over there, 1,000 kilometers we have Cuba. Cuba. Cancun to Cuba, fly by aeroplane, half hours by aeroplane. Like 1 day,
Yeah.
like a Timland where you go in
30 minutes to get to Cuba.
You visit Tulum and then come
Airplane.
back this lake. To the left side, 5,000 kilometers we have Miami, Florida. The color of the beach, similar the color of the sky. Every each one, the temples 20 years ago are usually covered by blue colors. Each one, the temples.
Okay.
Okay?
Man, I got the duck.
Okay.
Oh, we here.
Okay. The counting. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
3.
Oh.
1, 2, 4 for the door. 1, 2, 3 door.
This is a door. That's a door, and that's a door.
Yeah, 3 doors. And 1, 2, 3 rooms inside. Okay.
Room.
Room. Here we have 1,
Showing you the lights.
3 lines. Maya, that says for person, man, a woman, the life right in your hands. Take a look, your hands to the left side. Okay, look. This line is go direct in your heart. The Maya devil is the spirit come in the sky. When you are born, the Maya devil believes the spirit come in this door. The Maya that says all together women baby. Your heart like a baby white hawk. All the time is fly. Hawk.
Oh, like a hawk.
The hawk in your heart. And then second door, second finger. The Maya that says when you see on finger long life, when we see the line long life. When you see short line, short life. Oh, it's coming long life.
This one.
Yeah, long life. When I see like 100 years.
Yeah, there we go.
And now from behind, good. With the, you see, long life with him. One day, not forget this information.
That's right.
One day we choose beautiful girls. You're going to see the hand with her similar to you. We see like this, not divorce. Because that represents your heart. You're gonna walk with her happy.
Yeah.
Okay? You're gonna walk with her happy with you too.
You don't want that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Long.
Yeah. You see?
Long.
Oh, long life.
Long life.
You're gonna see out 120.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
I'm going to be 120 still moving.
Second finger.
That ball over there.
Yeah.
1961 archaeologists come from United States. We come here, was making excavation. They found bones of people inside.
That's like the burial, like their cemetery. No cemetery.
Archaeologists use the radiocarbon 14 for the detection. The bones correspond for 100 years aging. So that's military soldiers to work this place, to live this place. Under the ground, after the 3 days, the spirit way up again. The spirit go out in the floor, and then second look, the spirit coming back in the heaven.
In the heaven.
In the heaven, yeah.
Sure.
Like this.
Yeah. When you coming back in the heaven today, their reincarnation, resuscitation, and coming back in your home, but you take eternity life. No life.
No woman, no life.
That's
Woman, no life. Ready?
Yeah, hit on.
Just pulled up to Cozumel. Is this Cozumel?
Yeah.
Where we at? We gotta go see what these beaches talking about. Just look at the bottom. That's it. And I ride it with my surfboard. We go another side where you got the little restaurant right here. Nice little spot. I need to give me a tequila soon, I ain't gonna lie. Nah, not tequila, I mean margarita. Got a little platform in the building, they got over there surfing. Still not, they still got a lot of seaweed in this one, so we're gonna keep moving and find that pretty spot. We gonna next stop is the Mayan ruins. So I'm gonna show you what that's about. Which one is this? That's a little resort. What is it called?
No, that's the other resort.